That's odd. I could have swore I heard someone whispering. I'm in this little pagoda looking thing. I'm about to start a hike. So I Googled challenging trails around Houston, and this blue trail at Memorial Park just happened to be one of them. But yeah, it's just a nice relaxing lunchtime hike. So see you there. All right, this is the blue trail starting. So this is the blue trail that we're on. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Supposedly a tough hike, so we'll see. But it's scenic, so. You have to watch out for exposed roots here. And I think they got some elevation, but not too much. Here, squirrels over there. I think this trail is less than 2 miles too. Oh, look, a cardinal just flew by. That's kind of cool. I've hiked these mountain bike trails many times, but I forget how many times I've actually done the blue trail. It's hard to keep track of that. They have orange trail, red trail, I think teal, so. Oh, look, the first signs of elevation. I think it's that way. Wait, blue trail right here. All right. Wait, are we going the right way? According to my map, we're off course. What the heck? I don't know which one to believe. It says blue trail. I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna trust all trail. I guess go left instead of right. Okay. According to my map, we're going the right way now. So far, not challenging, just scenic. Little creek down there. Yeah, so sometimes mountain bikers share this path, so you'll see these little ramps here, so you have to watch out for bikers too. Yes, there we go, blue trail. That tells us we're going the right way, and my map agrees. Thank you, all trail. No one here but me so far. Well, there's people on the outer perimeter, but in the forest, just me. In terms of animals, I just seen some squirrels and saw the cardinal, which is cool. We're actually halfway done. So this is the blue trail. Nothing hard about it, but it's a recommended hike for me. I love hiking in general, If you want like a quick lunchtime walk, hike, this is perfect. You got shade, scenery. It's not overly crowded at all. Okay, split. Pretty sure we go straight. I think that takes you to the bayou. So we go here. All right, looks like this is the right way. Coming on to a little intersecting point here. Which way should I go? I think it's this way. You know, it says purple, there's a blue there. So I'm gonna go this way. All right, let's do it. Seriously, Houston, what's so challenging about this trail here? This is easy. I think it is this way. Yeah, it has to be this way. Curve here. Okay, now it starts to get a little fun. A little uphill here. All right, we're nearing the last leg here. Short hike, it's been about only 20 minutes so far. Which way, which way? I'm just gonna go here. Yep. That's odd. I could have swore I heard someone whispering. Oh, wow. Hello. No problem. Okay, trail runner. Still on the blue trail. Yeah, you want a trail run? Also, this is a great place for trail running. Go this way. So yeah, if you're, lunchtime break, or you just happen to be in town, or you have nothing to do, just want to get out, this is a great place for a quick hike. I definitely recommend it. You can just hike, bike, or trail run here, so check it out. This is almost where I came from, so we're just gonna follow this little route here. Yeah, and this should take me back. There you go, that's the end of it. Hope you guys like the Blue Trail. I'll see you guys in Austin for my full marathon. Peace out.